Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really don't know what this video is going to be about. I'm just vlogging because I know I'm doing stuff today. But it's probably either going to be a FaceTime vlog or random days in my life. It's going to be between the two. I'm going to go take a shower because I woke up around like 1 something. And right now, hold on, I'm going to turn it down because I'm on the phone. And it's like 3 something. I'm just on the phone with my sister. We're trying to figure out where we want to go eat and stuff. They say Juicy Crab, Applebee's. I don't know. But most likely we're probably going to Applebee's because they said Juicy Crab too high. I mean... yeah, but I'm gonna take a shower and stuff, and yeah, y'all took my lashes off, and like, y'all, that's why this sticking up because it's still like glue in my eyes and everything. I was gonna put some more back on today. It's like I take forever to put lashes on, so that's why I probably don't really got the patience to do it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, and I already got what I'm wearing. I'm probably just gonna wear something chill or something. Yeah, so yeah, I just got the shower. What I need to be doing is going to go wash my clothes because I don't know why I didn't do it yesterday. I should have did it yesterday. I don't really have that much clothes to wash. So yeah, I'm gonna wash these clothes and then I gotta fix up my hair and stuff. Cause my sister, she's on the way to come pick us up. So yeah. Got done put my clothes in the washer. I'm probably gonna do my hair. Now I gotta get my edge brush and stuff. I don't even know if it's cold outside. I just put this on. It probably is. I didn't even go out there. I did my edges and then probably just put like something in my hair. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this long sweater with these stacked tights. Yeah. And it's so long. I'm not even gonna tie it because it's a sweater. So like, why would I tie it? I don't even want to tie it. But y'all, the best thing I ever done with myself is dye my hair. Y'all, I dyed my hair. Right now I got these braids. But yes, y'all, I dyed my hair. And that was like the best thing ever. Like when I went to school the next day, people didn't even notice me. Well, some people didn't. But they were just like shocked. This is my first time like actually getting color. Like, well, it's not my first time like getting color. It's like my first time having a head full of color, if that makes sense. I usually just get black with color like in the back or something. I dyed my hair burgundy. Like, yo, it's so cute. And the crazy thing is, I already know my next hairstyle because I know these like get like tangled up fast and stuff and old fast. Like it's like when I get my hair done, I'll be trying to figure out what's my next hairstyle. But yes, y'all done my hair and it looks so cute. But I haven't even really been doing my edges for like I just be going to school like this because like y'all just don't be feeling like doing my edges. But I was coming over here to gotta get this mousse and I do need some more mousse too. I'm about to run out as y'all can see. I'm gonna do my edges. Yes, y'all, I'm so sad because I just got my hair done like last Sunday and it's already getting knotted up, like, but it's okay, I'm used to it at this point. But yes, I did my edges, y'all. I ain't even really doing cute like how I usually do them. I mean, they okay. Like when I first got my hair done, like I was not doing my edges. I just go straight to school because like I didn't even feel like doing them. And also, y'all, I think we're supposed to be having a movie night at home. I think we're supposed to be watching the new Moana movie too. We wasn't go to the movie theaters, but since we can watch it at home for free, we're just gonna watch it at home. We're just gonna go to the store and get like snacks and stuff, popcorn, all that. Today gonna be a real good day. Yeah, I don't know if I really should do my lashes. Like, not right now, because I know we're finna go, but like when I get back home or something. Like, I don't know. I might not do them. Y'all, I know y'all know this perfume around. Have y'all seen it around? Probably, I don't know. This perfume smells so good. Like, I got it from the hair store and it's almost gone. I'm so sad. Yeah, this perfume smells so good. I haven't put it down since. Like, I need to go to the hair store and get some more because like it just smells so freaking good, y'all. Like, I just love it. Just sitting in the car, one of my sisters, like, my sister and her girlfriend. We supposed to been left, and it's like, it's 4:40, going on 5, finna be 5 o'clock. I'm so sick. Like, I just been coughing and sneezing. I got a hard cough. I just coughed before I even started recording. Like, yeah, I feel like today's gonna be a smooth little good day. I really decided to record because, like, I haven't even posted nothing. The last video I posted was when I went on a cruise. And I uploaded that cruise video. And I just needed to find something to post. So I decided to do just a random video. I really don't know what this video gonna be about until I really upload it, do the title and all that. But most likely it's probably gonna be a FaceTime vlog. I don't know yet. I really do be trying to like upload stuff, but I really don't be doing nothing. Like, I just be at home and going to school. That's really it. So I try to record like on the weekends. I do stuff like on the weekends. Like, I go hang out with my sister and go to her house. Yeah, we watching the Moana movie at her house, not my house. I'm leaving. Y'all put these glasses on. I hope they look right. Finally made it here. They playing. Let me get out. I finally made the Applebee's. Y'all may try this spinach dip. I don't even like spinach dip, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah. Okay, we just gonna hold the phone. We finally sitting down. Got our menu.
Get mama for me when you get a chance. Can I have water with lemon? Oh.
So y'all, appetizer was spinach dip. It look good. I'm gonna try it. It's good. Got my phone got storage, so I keep cutting it off. It must be the manager or something.
Yeah. What is it?
What?
They burnt you? What?
That was spinach.
Chip.
I don't know what that is.
Probably like a line.
Y'all, it's good. It probably really depends on who make it.
Chicken finger? Is it the kids or?
Here's my food. So y'all, we finally leaving. We finna go to Walmart. We finna get the snacks and stuff. And then we finna go to her house and then we finna watch the movie. Yo, we made it to Walmart. Where everybody at? But that took too long. I'm finna go. So we made it to Walmart. Is gonna get a buggy? The little baskets?
Yeah, it's up front.
Where? Okay, because we finna see. So what are they? Ever have the baskets where you can just hold them to hold your groceries? Okay. Because I never knew they had them. I thought they always had like buggies or something. Yeah, my camera is blurred, or is just my glasses? It is blurry. Wait. Oh my gosh. I mean, I could have cleaned the camera. Okay, see, I just clicked the camera because it was blurry. It still is blurry a little bit. I don't even care. You're not in the video. You trying to get in it? Why are we on the cereal aisle? We're gonna get some fruit snacks.
You alive?
Oh, sorry. See, I got storage in my phone, so like I can't even record. My brother's phone. You trying to see? What kind of popcorn is this? Oh, they got kettle corn. We got fruit roll-ups and some gushers. I guess you're not really getting that much stuff, y'all. I got storage in my phone. I tried to delete some stuff. I don't know. That's why I can't wait till I get a camera have storage. I don't know. I know you're gonna have to like buy them little car things and stuff for it. What kind of popcorn is that?
Carol, she want the mini bag instead of getting the big bag.
Them big?
Yeah, this big bag is the mini bag.
Oh.
Yeah. It's 94 every cent.
I can't wait to watch the Moana movie, y'all. I can't. I don't know if I should put it in my YouTube video because like I know some people haven't watched it and I don't want to spoil it. I might just put like tiny little clips, but not like the full thing. Excuse me. Sorry. I mean, oops. What's this?
Non-spicy churro.
Ew, I just be making stuff, y'all.
they got a wonky branch.
I look nice. I really want some Takis, but I don't know if my sister gonna buy it. I don't even know if they got some. Do they even have some? Oh, they do got some. Have some chips. Some chips. Get a small one.
Y'all want the candy?
Yeah, I thought that's what we was getting. Yeah, we on the candy. I thought we was getting some candy anyways. I knew we was missing something. I just couldn't think of what.
Let's get this together.
What?
Wait, is it this? Or is this?
The heat. I didn't even finish mine. Oh, I want some of the Swedish fish. That is good. Sorry. I haven't finished mine. You can get one. I ain't finished mine. I think we got the big bar thing is better than the small bar. You don't want Mr. Beast chocolate bar? I don't even know what I want. I think I'm gonna just get the Swedish fish and probably a small bag of like the medium bags of hot Cheetos. I just want to get the heat, but it's so big. Hold on, for show y'all. Watch out, KJ.
No.
But I already had this, and I didn't finish. Sorry.
Trying to negotiate with a kid.
No.
I can't follow her boyfriend.
I never even tried these. I know they got them at Zaxby's, but I never even tried them. KJ, are they good? KJ, are they good? Are the Mr. Beast chocolate bar good?
Boyfriend. Told you, right? She on the phone with her boyfriend.
Cool.
I don't got chocolate.
Hey, KJ, she think that's my boyfriend. What's up? You been watching the move? I don't know.
Like, is you right?
Yes, Makai said I can get it.
You gonna buy it?
Get out my hair.
You gonna buy
I guess that's it. I don't think we get nothing else, but I'm pretty sure what we got. We got fruit roll-ups, gushers. We got ice cream, some Swedish fish. Swedish fish. My sister got chocolate and we got popcorn. I think that's it. I don't know if they still looking. But yeah. It's so cold in here. Like my face feel ashy and everything. That's KJ's? Yeah. Oh, you want to subscribe? Thank you. I got another subscriber. Look. Another subscriber. Here you go. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home because we just sitting here. So. I finally made it to my, oh, I'm gonna just feel. I finally made it to my sister's house. I'm gonna watch it. I'm upstairs now. Yeah, my phone got no storage, so I'm just looking on my iPad. Watch, she finna come jumping. Oh, damn, I forgot that y'all don't live in mine. Finally finna start watching the movie. We got our popcorn. I need to go get my candy. Swedish is good. I don't care what nobody says. About to turn on TV. Start watching it. I'm finna start watching it though. So excited. So excited. Yeah, I got some apple juice and my candy and popcorn. I'm finna watch it.